Dear students, we are studying the change of active voice into passive voice. So today we are to learn how to change the sentences of present indefinite into passive. First of all, we are to learn how to change the sentences of affirmative. So look at the green board. There is a sentence, Ram rides an essay. Yesterday we had discussed how to recognize the sentences in active and in passive. So you can understand that this first sentence is in active voice. And now we should change it into passive in keeping all the rules in mind that were dictated yesterday. So here we have taken the object and placed it at the place of subject. An essay is written by Ram. Yesterday we discussed that the helping verb according to the tense is to be used, and then third form of the verb, and then by, then agent or the new object. The same thing is there, and now you are to note down the rule. First of all, object into subject and subject into object. Then helping verb is, am, are. Then third form of the verb, then by, and then agent or the new object. You can see the same system in this sentence. An essay, because essay is in singular and that's why each has been used there. Written is the third form of write. By is to be placed before the object and then the object. Okay? Note down this rule in your notebook. And now we are to learn how to change the sentences of negative. Here this is the sentence, she does not play hockey. The same process is to be applied here. Hockey is the object and therefore we have put hockey here at the place of subject. Hockey, as hockey is also singular and that's why is helping verb is to be used. And now you are to keep in your mind, just after the helping verb we are to use not, and then third form of the verb, then by, and then object or the agent. So the all rules in affirmative and negative are the same, only one thing is there, you are to place not just after the helping verb. I think you have understood this rule also. And now, as we studied in the study of tense, the same thing is there as interrogative A and interrogative B. So first of all, let's learn how to change the sentences of active into passive of interrogative A. This sentence is in interrogative A. Do you like Mr. Sharma? And here the sentence begins with the verb, that is do or does. And when we change these sentences into passive, then we are to use helping verb is, am, are. And so the sentence begins with the helping verb is, because Mr. Sharma is singular third person. Let's see. Is Mr. Sharma liked by you? So the rule is helping verb plus subject plus third form of the verb plus by and then object or the agent. Next, you already know the interrogative B. Interrogative B begins with a question word. So this sentence, why do you cut the tree? This why indicates that the sentence is in interrogative B. Now, when we are to change the sentences of interrogative B, we are to place the question word in the beginning of the sentence. So this is here, why is the tree cut by you? Question word plus is or am or are plus subject, the new subject, and then the third form of the verb, then by, and then object, the new object. And now one thing is there, if the question word is who, this who is considered as the interrogative pronoun, and that's why it changes into by whom. H, who teaches you English. Here this who changes into by whom, and by whom are you taught English. And when this by has been used in the beginning of the sentence, and that's why no by will be used later. So keep in your mind, when the subject is who, it changes into by whom. The rule is by whom plus is, am, are plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object. That is the rule. This is only with who. All the other question words will remain at the same place. For example, here we used white and now another sentence is there as what does Mr. Gupta say? Here what will not be replaced, it will remain at the same place. What is said by Mr. Gupta? Okay, so I think you have understood how to change the sentences of active voice into passive voice of present indefinite tense. If the sentences are of past indefinite, the same process is there, only the helping verb is changed. So you should keep in your mind while you are changing the sentences of past indefinite into passive, only helping verb is to be changed. Past indefinite as Radha sang a song. Here this sang says that the sentence is in past indefinite. So you can change it as a song was sung by Radha. Okay, so keep in your mind only helping verb is to be changed. All the other rules are the same in past indefinite also. So you are to note down some sentences for your practice from present indefinite and past indefinite. Number 1, we play chess. He does not respect his father. Who broke the glass? Why did you punish him? Do they respect their teachers? note down these sentences and change into passive voice for your practice according to the rules that have been taught to you. Okay, tomorrow we shall study how to change the sentences of future indefinite into passive. Okay, thank you. Well done.